Maponesa a Afrika Borwa a tswela pele ho bolawa ke dinokwane letsatsi le tjhaba le dikelang. Kgetlong lena mahlasipa e bile Konstabole Khotso Malahlela le Sajene Vusimusi Batsha.
My big brother was with me from the moment I opened my eyes. He saw my very first footsteps, and he was happy to brag about this even to his last days.
We have lost somebody who dedicated his life to his family, to Mkwanas and Batsha. I'm very happy.
Basebetsi mmoho ba neng ba sebetsa le bona letsatsi leo la ketsahalo ba hlalositse se ileng sa etsahala.
When I get to the scene, I saw that somebody was lying on the street. I thought maybe it's one of the member of the public because the uniform you cannot see it from the member. But when I come closer with warrant officer, and we saw that Sergeant Batsha was lying, lifeless.
Killing of police officers, it has become a pandemic now. We are saying, let us protect our protectors.
We said, now let's make sure that any person who kills a police, that should be treated as treason.
The pain of these kids, especially the last born, Kapasha, the only child, Esiazio, Kamalahlela, they've got a delayed pain.
Ke maponesa a 33 a hlokahalletseng mosebetsing selemong sa ditjhelete sa 2021 le 2022. Maponesa ana a mabedi a tlilo fumantshwa lepato la semmuso.